Kaseng Sain Prathai Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya Karpinyo Tarek Unai Wing Arjar Pulai Hadian Kajio Jimunjurnak Central Executive Committee CC Pynbna ki Nongkitkam ki Bathymmai ki Bakantop Nadu ki State Vice President ki General Secretary ki State Secretary Lord ki Wepat ki Nongkitkam Yakani ki Jelang Lampelong Hapok Office Trikam ka BJP ka Badan Haviva Road Shillong Kepala Lam Khamat State President Kaseng Rickman Momin.
The State Vice President is Mr. Bernard Marat, Kyrwoh, Bathymmai, Wangkibok, Pynbna, Sri Dipul Marak, Sri Gagan Jain, and Srimati Ria Sangma. These are the 6 Vice Presidents. The General Secretaries are Dr. Everest Mersing and Lakon Biang. State Secretaries are Akabiang Lingdo, Dr. Bernadette Lingdo, Sri Adam Kit, Srimati Brevia Thaba, Sri Premananda Coach, and Mr. Bipin Pradhan. State Treasurer is Sri Sarban Junjunwala. Office Secretary is Srimati Arundhati Paul. State Mahila Morcha is Sukhi Paryat. State President Yuva Morcha Mr. Mewakar Lingdo. State ST Morcha Sri Thomas N. Marat. State Kisan Morcha Sri Aralden Sabong. And lastly, State Minority Morcha is Sri Sahidur Rahman. So these are the office bearers which has been approved by the central office.